Today we're diving deep into the realm of dropshipping with a head-to-head comparison of two major players, Spocket and AutoDS. These tools are the architects of dropshipping experiences, revolutionizing the way businesses operate. We'll be taking a look at 5 different comparison points: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's get started. Let's take a quick look at Spocket and AutoDS's main features. Spocket features include global dropshipping suppliers. Spocket allows users to choose from a wide range of global dropshipping suppliers, enabling them to select the best products to sell from a diverse selection. Product selection. Users can browse and select products from thousands of suppliers worldwide, offering a comprehensive range of items for their dropshipping business. Ease of use. Spocket simplifies the dropshipping process with its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while providing advanced features for experienced users. Brand invoicing. Spocket offers features for branded invoicing, allowing users to maintain a professional and customized appearance in their transactions. AutoDS features include eBay tools. AutoDS provides a set of eBay tools that assist users in managing their eBay dropshipping businesses efficiently. Marketplace integration. AutoDS features a marketplace integration that enables users to discover, source, and import profitable dropshipping products seamlessly within one system. Automation. AutoDS streamlines the dropshipping experience by automating various tasks, saving both beginners and experts valuable time in managing their online stores. Wallet systems. AutoDS includes a wallet system that facilitates financial transactions within the platform, providing a convenient way for users to manage their expenses and earnings. Looking at the pricing structure, Spocket sports a conventional 4-tier monthly subscription with prices starting at $40 and increasing to $299 a month. Each tier has significant feature additions, so make sure to look properly at what each plan offers in order to pick the correct price bracket. AutoDS shakes things up with different prices for each online marketplace application it services. For example, eBay's minimum subscription price is around $9.90, whereas Etsy's starts at around $19.90. Similar to Spocket, each application has multiple tiers based mainly on how many products you can import. In conclusion, Spocket offers a simple, easy-to-understand generalized pricing scheme, while AutoDS offers many different plans that can be tailored to fit your business's specific needs. Spocket and AutoDS offer distinct user experiences. Spocket emphasizes a global network of dropshipping suppliers, providing a diverse product selection. Known for its friendly interface, Spocket caters to both beginners and experienced users. In contrast, AutoDS stands out with the eBay tools, a marketplace integration, and robust automation features, offering a comprehensive solution for managing Shopify stores. On the topic of pros and cons, Spocket and AutoDS both have clear advantages and drawbacks. Spocket excels in providing a user-friendly interface on a global network of dropshipping suppliers, offering a diverse product selection. However, its limitations include occasional product availability issues. On the other hand, AutoDS stands out with advanced eBay tools, sufficient automation features, and robust marketplace integration, but its interface may be more complex for beginners. Despite both platforms receiving positive reviews, users should weigh factors like user interface preference and specific features requirements when choosing between Spocket and AutoDS. Let's get into some possible alternatives for these programs. Notable alternatives include Oberlo, DSers, GotReal, Ali Dropship Plugin, and SaleWho. each offering distinct features and functionalities. In conclusion, determining whether Spocket or AutoDS is better really depends on individual preferences and business needs. Spocket is praised for its user-friendly interface and extensive product catalog, whereas AutoDS is known for its time-saving automation, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Explore Spocket and AutoDS through the links in the description. Subscribe to EasyInternet for more in-depth tech analysis, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more valuable insights. Thank you.